Hey, my name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi everyone, I'm David, also a Sephora Beauty Director.
We have some really great skincare picks today. They're all under $35 and they're clean and planet positive at Sephora. So not only are they good for you, but they're also good for our planet. And if you kind of want to get an idea for what that means, David, I feel like you can tell us exactly.
Absolutely. So if you are curious about what that seal at Sephora, the Clean and Planet Positive seal is, it means that not only are the products themselves clean ingredient-wise, it means that these brands are making a climate commitment, they're sustainably sourced, and they're utilizing responsible packaging, which we love a lot. We love to hear that. So it only makes these skincare products that much more enticing. So why don't we jump into what we have here?
Let's do it. All right, first up is absolutely a classic. It's definitely been a classic for me. When I was talking to David about it earlier, he's like, you have to talk about this one. I was like, please. So this is from Pharmacy. This is the Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. And you can see it's truly like this balmy texture. I'll show you what it looks like real quick when you scoop it out. So it kind of just breaks down into an oil as soon as you rub it between your two hands. See how quickly that breaks down?
So fast.
Yep. And you'll apply it to your dry skin just in like light circular motions, and the foundation, that stubborn eye makeup, it literally melts away. Like you hear that with makeup removers and cleansers, it actually melts away. And it feels so good and moisturizing.
Smells good too.
The reason I love this product so much is because I suffered from acne for so long. I was drying out my skin, trying to get it clean, washing my face like 3 times, trying to get the makeup off. It was stripping all the natural oils. Therefore, my skin was getting irritated, overproducing oil, and producing acne. So this
became a vicious cycle.
Exactly. It became my best friend for that reason, and I just feel like now when I wash my face, it feels plump, you know, it feels good, and it's kind of like a daily exfoliant as well. It has that chemical exfoliation in there that's going to help give you a nice, even skin tone.
Okay, so up next from Biossance, we have the Squalane and BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. Toners are incredible. They are the product you're going to use directly after cleansing your skin because they've got this lightweight, watery texture. So it's quick, sweep it over the skin. This is packed with some really wonderful ingredients. You've got your BHAs, your beta hydroxy acids, which are fantastic for unclogging your pores and exfoliating the stuff out of your pores so it minimizes them, plus some alpha hydroxy acids, which is going to exfoliate the top layer of skin, creating a nice smooth surface right from the get-go. And then of course the Squalane, which Biossance is known for. It's that lightweight, non-shiny, super hydrator that locks hydration in. And at the end, this is a great way to start off your skincare routine with some incredible results right away.
All right, so we got to talk about Serum, and we're talking about value here. So we have to talk about Sephora Collection.
Absolutely.
Their skincare line is packed with value. This serum from them is the Ultra Glow Serum Glow and Strengthen Vitamin C Serum. It's $20, my friends. It is $20. So whenever I think of vitamin C, David, I actually think about you because I sat for many years behind the camera working with David, and now I get the pleasure of being up here with you. But you always said it is the BLT of skincare, which means brighten, lighten, and tightens. It is so good. Not to mention, it also has really good hydrating properties in this, so you're going to be pumping hydration back into your skin. No matter what your skin type, that is important.
Very much.
A really powerful, power-packed serum to try out.
Okay, so I'm gonna follow your serum with another serum.
Yes.
So this is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon and Niacinamide Dewdrops. Love this serum because it sort of bridges the gap between skincare and makeup.
I love
because and you know this, right? We love utilizing skincare that creates a visible, glowy, dewy glass skin. And that's exactly what this is gonna do. So it's filled with watermelon, which by the way smells so good in this.
Love the smell of this line, yeah.
It's so good. So it's watermelon, which is gonna make your skin really juicy and glowy, and then hyaluronic acid, which we know anchors that hydration right into your skin, so it's plump and gorgeous. And then the secret ingredient, which I think was so genius for them to add to this, is that niacinamide, because niacinamide has a great way of balancing the skin, so even someone with oily skin can utilize this and feel good. And the niacinamide is gonna help with hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and dark spots. So a really great multitasker that looks gorgeous and does some great stuff.
So no skincare routine is complete without an eye cream, and this one is also from Sephora collection because, to be honest, Sephora collection is just awesome.
Yes.
And this is the Brightening Eye Cream with caffeine and hyaluronic acid. So this is really gonna do two major things for you. The caffeine is going to depuff your eyes. And then the hyaluronic acid, kind of like David was speaking to earlier, is really gonna pump that hydration back in. It's gonna make your eyes appear more plump, the skin around your eyes more plump, and that's gonna make the fine lines and the wrinkles kind of disappear a little bit. You know, you get that that boost of moisture, and the formula is just beautiful. It's super thick and luxurious, which I personally love for an eye cream, because if it's too thin or gel-like, in my opinion, because I'm really dry, it just doesn't feel like it gives me the moisture that I need. It might be a personal
especially in that
preference.
area though, yeah.
I love a thick, luxurious texture, and this just does it for me.
Okay, gonna finish this off with a moisturizer.
Of course.
Very important. And I'm gonna hop on the Sephora collection train as well because it's an incredible brand. And this, the Sephora collection Nourishing Moisturizer with Prebiotics, is only $17. That's right, $17. Really incredible value here. What I love about this, it's a rich cream, but it's a whipped, airy formula.
That's
like
a
a
great way of
mousse.
describing it, yes.
Like a mousse almost. So a little bit goes a long way, and it's quickly absorbed into the skin, and the prebiotics that are in here are naturally derived to really help support your skin's natural moisture barrier, which means that your skin remains hydrated longer because it's better protected as well.
Right.
So it's really doing a wonderful job, and at $17, you just can't complain about your skin looking that good. So overall, a wonderful product. Definitely one to check out.
So ultimately, everything we talked about really could be a full routine.
Completely.
But I also love the idea that if maybe you haven't experimented with Clean or Planet Positive at Sephora, you could incorporate one or two of these into your routine and see how you like it.
I love that. And while we're at it, let us know in the comments section below, what are some of your favorite Clean brands, or if you'd like to learn more about the Clean and Planet Positive program at Sephora, because I think it's really interesting.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, keep yourself clean and planet positive, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.